All that heat. Bottled.
Once fully ripened, the chilies are harvested at peak heat levels.
Ready for kitchens around the world. From local markets to global shelves.
Every bottle of chili sauce begins here, under the open sky, where fiery peppers grow to perfection. These chilies are carefully cultivated for heat, color, and flavor.
Once fully ripened, the chilies are harvested at peak heat levels.
Freshness is critical grouping, so processing begins within hours.
Before processing, every chili is thoroughly cleaned. This step ensures food safety without harming flavor. Next, chilies are cut to prepare them for pulping. This is where heat meets texture.
The essence of chili is carefully extracted. Filtration ensures a smooth, consistent sauce. Each factory follows a precise formula.
Heat level, acidity, and flavor are constantly tested.
Pasteurization locks in flavor and safety. Even the bottles are factory-made. Clean bottles are essential for long shelf life.
Automation ensures speed and accuracy.
Each bottle is sealed for freshness.
Ready for kitchens around the world. Stored carefully until shipment. From local markets to global shelves. All that heat. Bottled.
Thanks for watching the journey from fresh peppers to hot chili sauce.